Welcome, in front of me I have GARMIN Bounce 2 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. So if you want to take screenshots on your watch, first you need to go to the screen you want to capture. For example, let's open the maybe activities menu. And now to take a screenshot you need to press and hold the lower and upper button together until you see this message. Screenshot is saved to Garmin/screenshots. And you can take as many as you want. And if you want to check your screenshots, access them, you will need to plug your watch to a computer by using the charging cable. And once you plug it to the computer, you can open the folder of a watch, the Garmin I believe it's going to be called Bounce, Garmin Bounce 2 folder. And in that folder, you will see a screenshot folder somewhere. And there are the screenshots you'd taken basically. Okay, and that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.